ABB robots are used for high-speed picking of items from conveyors, and arranging products in predefined patterns. ABB robots are used for prefabricated component assembly, bricklaying and material handling. ABB robots enhance the quality, consistent performance ensures high product quality and reduced errors. They can be reprogrammed or adapted for new tasks, making them suitable for changing production needs. ABB offers robots of various payload capacities and reaches, catering to diverse industries. Collaborative models like YuMi include advanced safety systems, allowing humans and robots to work side by side. ABB focuses on energy-efficient designs, reducing power consumption without compromising performance. ABB robots can be integrated with digital solutions, enabling real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance through IoT platforms. ABB robots are used for uniform and high-quality spray painting, powder coating, and surface treatment. They are used for vision-based defect detection, dimensional inspections, and high-speed sorting for quality assurance.